Leopards, welcome back to the 2020-2021 school year. I'm excited about getting started. My name is Coach Reed. I'm the head football coach here at Banks County High School. A little bit about me. I'm currently in my 15th year teaching and coaching. I've taught at several of the surrounding counties in Northeast Georgia, including Banks, Hart, Hall, Franklin, and Jackson. I have coached a variety of sports and taught a variety of subjects, including football, track and field, and wrestling, and taught physical education, weight training, and social studies. I am currently in my third year here at Banks County High School as the head football coach, and I'm in my fifth year overall at Banks County High School, as earlier in my career I spent 2 years here as well. A little bit about my family. I want to introduce you to my wife, Dr. Brandy Reed. She is an assistant principal at Franklin County High School, and this is my son, Jax, who is 2. As you can tell, we like being very active, enjoy being outdoors as well as spending time around the ball fields. In addition to my wife and son, you'll see me here, my father, Jimmy Reed, on the left, and my mom, Vicky. And then on the right, you'll see my brother, Matt, and my sister, Sean. Some of the classes that I teach here at Banks County High School include athletic weight training, and body sculpting. Pretty much the same focus in all classes. The focus is to get better in all areas of health and fitness. The major differences are the pace at which the class will flow. Supplies that you will need for class include closed-toe shoes. So that meaning no slides, flip-flops, sandals, and that is a safety issue as the weight room can be a dangerous environment, especially without closed-toed shoes. Athletic attire is preferred. It is not required. And some of the attire we're talking about there are gym shorts, sweats, t-shirts, etc. Main thing that you bring with you every day is an eagerness to learn, work hard, compete, and to help each other. And in the weight room, you really get a team aspect in there as well. So it's important that you're able to help each other and focus and push each other to reach their highest achievement levels. How to contact me. If you need to contact me, the best way to do it is via email. And my email is j.reed@banks.k12.ga.us. And you can reach me through the front office of the school as well. I look forward to getting started with you guys. I can't wait to see you back in the school building, and go Leopards.